Alright, today I've got a microwave for you, and of course we're going to put YouTube in the microwave. It doesn't want to go in, it's doing a runner look. Yeah, it's a bit wobbly on there. Just hold the camera a second. Yeah, YouTube in the microwave. Hey! Oh, I think it's done. I think it put a hole in it. It's usually what happens to them. Yeah, it's cracked. Oh, look, there's a hole, look. And that, gents, is how you pop YouTube. I could try this little bulb, but I think the magnetron's on its way out in this one. Had way too much fun with it. Oh, I've tried and I've tried and I've tried, and it appears that, yep, just that silly bulb finished off that magnetron.